by alleging that they have 120 hours of interviews implicating my client in criminal conduct. I'm Anna Demitchik, and I am again at the federal courthouse for the Central District of California, reflecting on some of the federal cases we had recently. The big difference between federal cases and state cases, criminal cases I'm talking, is that federal cases tend to be very heavily front-loaded compared to the state cases. It means that we get large amounts of evidence immediately, right off the bat. I once had a federal criminal case where the prosecution tried to keep my client detained by alleging that they have 120 hours of interviews implicating my client in criminal conduct, and they sent us those interviews. The result of myself and my colleagues spending a couple days going through these 120 hours of videos and making detailed notes on every piece of evidence presented there was finding out that the government, in fact, had practically no evidence on our client, and certainly whatever they had there was significantly less than they were trying to represent by stating that they have 120 hours of evidence against the defendant. Why am I discussing this? Well, that's because a lot of clients ask me, why do we have to pay so much money in the very beginning of the case? You are just starting out. Well, in a federal criminal case, the beginning can be the most labor-intensive, time-intensive, and the most important part of the case.
记得点赞关注哦。